Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a ECBA Certified Business Analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 148th question of our BA interview series. So let's begin. What if the interviewer asks, what is a difference between delete, truncate, and drop? I'll answer. Delete removes selected rows from a table. Truncate removes all rows quickly but keeps the table structure, while drop completely deletes the table structure and data. Simple understanding would be delete removes specific records, truncate is equal to empty table, and drop is equal to remove entire table. So this question, as you can see, is of SQL, and I'll explain it in a very detailed manner with a easy understanding. So let's go with that. So as you can see, I'll give you an example. So these SQL commands are used to remove data, okay? Delete, truncate, and drop are used to remove data. Remember that. So if you see the delete command, it removes selected rows from the table, right? Removes specific records using a where condition. Table structure remains intact. Can delete one, many, or all rows. The SQL function for this would be delete from orders, where order ID is equal to 101. So as you can see, truncate removes all rows quickly but keeps the table structure, while drop completely deletes the table structure and all data. So as you can see in CraftCart, if I wanted to remove only failed test transaction, I would use delete, right? If I wanted to remove only failed test transaction, I would use delete. If I wanted to clear all test order data while keeping the table, I would use truncate. If a temporary testing table was no longer needed, I would use drop. So I hope you understand that. So drop basically deletes the entire table permanently. It removes both data and table structure. And truncate removes all rows from the table, keep stable structure, columns, and schema faster than delete for larger data sets. So as you can see, SQL function would be truncate table orders, SQL function for drop table orders, like that. Okay. So as a business analyst, I may not write SQL daily, but understanding commands like delete, truncate, and drop helps me communicate effectively with developers, validate data related requirements, and understand the impact of database changes. So I hope you understand what delete means, what truncate means, and what drop means. I hope I could, show a little detail of an example. And this is like, I don't think so I should show what functions are and stuff like that. It's like, I think it's very normal if you just, understand this simple things. You know, just remember that delete is basically removes a selected row, okay, from a table. Truncate removes all the rows quickly but keeps the stable structure. Drop completely deletes the table itself. Completely deletes the table structure and data, right? So remember, delete removes selected rows. Truncate removes all rows, and drop completely deletes the table structure and data. Okay. So as you can see, the simple understanding is delete is remove specific records. Only if you want to remove specific record, you will use delete option. Truncate option you will use when you have to empty the table, and drop you will use when you have to remove the entire table. So once you understand these commands, I think SQL is something which is very important for BA. So I hope you remember this. Thanks so much for watching.